Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. Shauna, tell me what's going on with your mid-back.
It's aching, and the muscles just feel like they're constantly working really hard, and that they're pulling me to the side a little bit.
It's like a muscle spasm?
Yeah, it's spasming, and I can just constantly feel it whenever I'm sitting up or standing up.
So that's a constant pain?
Mm-hmm.
How much from 0 to 10? 10 is emergency room.
I'd say 5. It's quite annoying.
So 5 out of 10, constant pain. And what kind of pain? Is it sharp, dull, aching?
Aching, muscle burning, and it's just, it's hard to describe. It's not dull, it's
just constant nagging.
Yeah, it's just constant aggravation.
Where do you feel it exactly?
Right here.
Just that spot?
Just right here, yeah. Yeah.
So tell me how you hurt yourself, how long this been going on?
For around 2 weeks, like gradually I noticed it was feeling tighter and tighter in that area, and it started to get painful. Lots of bending over, lifting things off the floor, not always using, good posture. So pretty much that, and just always a lot more standing and sitting than I'm used to, without back support. Without back support.
Yeah. So have you had any treatment for this before? Nope. Okay. All right. So so constant pain. Can we do any motion that's aggravated, or just it's constant?
It's just constant. Yeah. Just anything upright. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, right there.
Too much?
Yeah, a little.
Sorry.
That's okay.
What about you?
Yeah, that's perfect.
So what? Is this affecting your breathing, or it's okay?
Nope.
You need lower.
Sorry, I'm like running around.
There you go. This.
A little pain.
Sure. Okay. Too much? 0 to 10?
It feels good. Yeah, I would say 0. Like,
it's good. We'll have you dance.
I know.
It's good. So what do you think about the treatment?
I think it's really good.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.